You know that quote, the one I just, these things I can do, you can do, and even more. And we all went, yeah. She goes, the thing that I love about Unity people is you actually believe that. You actually believe it. It's kind of the opposite of anything I can do, anything you can do, I can do better, right? That's a line out of an old musical. No, it's anything, Jesus is saying, anything that I've done, you can do, including all the miracles. You can do these and even greater things you can do. Kind of a scary thought, actually. Probably takes some responsibility and some accountability. All right, so we're going to take that into our last time of silence and consideration. If you'd like to take a breath again. Perhaps maybe ask yourself, where am I stuck waiting by the pool? Thinking that my good is outside of myself, in someone else's hands, that I need to wait for the right circumstances to experience my good. What could I release so that I could just step into that? Just step into my good right now. And the second question for consideration is, where do I play small? What is standing in the way of me waking up to my whole self, my capital S self, and listening to what it's calling me to be? It's not about the doing. It's not connected with the physical world. It's connected to your divine essence, your state of being. What is standing in the way? What could I release? So just close this time of contemplation. Bring your attention back. Well, thank you for traveling this journey with me.